Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to plant 3 more plants in my gravel bed. The first one is Euonymus japonicus microphyllus, also known as Microphyllus variegatus. It is a small, dense, compact evergreen shrub or a small tree with dark green foliage which is edged with white or yellow. It grows in most soil types in sun or part shade, and it can grow up to 2.5 meter tall. The second one is an ornamental grass, Koeleria glauca. It is a semi-evergreen perennial grass forming compact tufts, narrow green leaves, and in summer silvery green cylindrical flowering panicles. It's an ideal non-invasive border plant that provides an attractive contrast to brighter flowers in sunny border. Its fantastic grass foliage and pretty flowers are excellent in dried flower arrangements and can grow up to 75 to 100 centimeter tall and wide. The third one is a small bush. It's Spirea japonica little princess. It is a lovely, compact, growing summer blooming spirea with starry pink flowers clustered together in large flower heads. This strong deciduous shrub is perfect for use as a hedge or as a freestanding shrub in the garden. It produces lovely pink blooms from June to August, and its full-grown time is 5 years. And it can grow up to 50 to 75 centimeter tall and wide. It prefers a sunny location, but it will also tolerate part shade. So I think these 3 plants will look good in this border. I have already got 2 rose plants in this border and a big container with bulbs in it. These bulbs are just starting to form. I planted them quite late, and I have got a video on my channel where I discussed what happens if you try to force your bulbs and plant them late. Like I planted them in February and I kept them in refrigerator for 3 months before that, and because we were moving house, I wasn't in the position to plant them any earlier. So I think they are making it and they will be blooming soon. So if you are interested, you can check that video out. I think they will make a lovely show here. So I'm going to plant these 3 plants in my gravel bed, one next to this planter which is temporarily here. I'll be moving it anytime. So the plant is small anyway, so it will be all right. And then grass here in the next to my rose plant in the front of the border, and Spirea japonica here next to camellia plant which I planted a couple of weeks ago. Camellia can grow quite tall and wide, like up to 2 meter tall and wide, and it has a climbing capacity and it is an evergreen. However, Spirea is a deciduous shrub, so I think they can go together quite well. So this is the plan for today, to plant these 3 in this gravel bed. And here are the things which I need: an e-sport, some tools to dig, gloves, and I have got some compost with me to amend the soil, and fertilizer which will get the plants going. And watering is really important after planting, so the plants can establish themselves. So let's crack on planting. So the camera turned off at some point. However, I have got my job done. I have got all the 3 plants into the ground. They are looking really nice and lovely. And as you can see, this border do get lots of sun, morning sun, until afternoon. So this is Euonymus here, looking all good. It's really small now, but it can grow quite tall and wide. So I'll be moving this planter away from it as it grows. And then the grass here, which is very tiny at the moment, hard to spot, but I think it will grow quickly. And then the Spirea japonica next to that post. So I think all these 3 plants are looking good. I have watered them well, and I'll keep watering them for coming days. It's really important to water the young plants, especially in the first year, so they can establish strong root system. So everything is looking good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was informative and useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I have got lots of other gardening videos on my channel. Please check them out, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.